Students, we are asked to find the square root of 6 negative 8i. So I would start off by assuming let z be equal to 6 negative 8i. Okay, so we expected to find the square root of this quantity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write this as 6 positive of negative 8 times I. So the square root of 6 positive I times negative 8 is going to be, the required formula is going to be plus or minus square root of, this entire square root, okay, square root of modulus of z positive a divided by 2 positive b divided by modulus of b. The reason is b is negative here. See that? That's the reason I have written it as 6 positive I of negative 8 times root of modulus of z negative a divided by 2. So this is the required formula. Now, having obtained the required formula, foremost find what is modulus of z. This is equal to root of 6 squared positive negative 8 squared. This is equal to root of 36 positive 64, which is root of 100, which is equal to 10. So we have got that. So this can be rewritten as plus or minus, open the parenthesis, square root of modulus of z is 10 plus a. Now you can state here, so a is equal to 6 and b is equal to negative 8. So a is 6 here divided by 2 plus b, the value of b, see, you can calculate b divided by modulus of b. So this is going to be, the value of b is negative 8, but the modulus of b is going to be root of 8 squared, right? Root of 8 squared. It doesn't matter, negative or positive is still going to be positive there. So root of 8 squared will give you 8. So 8 divided by 8 will give you 1, but the sign is negative, so that's going to be negative 1 there. So much so for evaluating b divided by modulus of b. So this is going to be negative 1 times square root of modulus of z is 10, negative a is 6 divided by 2. So I can rewrite this as 10 added with 6 is 16. 2 divides 16 8 times. So it's going to be root of 8. Plus with minus will give you minus. And 10 negative 6 will give you 4. 2 divides 4 2 times. So this is going to be root of 2 there. Okay. Now one major thing is important that we need to observe that. Now this is actually plus I there. I is featuring there. So make sure to place that I. So I should occur. If there is no I, then we would have a series issue. So the outcome is root of 8 negative I times root of 2. But of course you can rewrite root of 8 as 2 times root 2. Okay. Negative I times root 2. Why do I write this as 2 times root 2? Because I can write 8 as 4 times 2, which is going to be root of 4 times root of 2. Now root of 4 is 2, so that's why I get 2 times root 2. So therefore the final answer, square root of 6 negative 8i is 2 times root 2 negative I times root 2. So this completes the solution to the question. However, sometimes it might become necessary for you to, since we always have plus or minus, so it's better to place that plus or minus sign there. So close the parenthesis and place plus or minus. Okay, plus or minus, so that it is clearly explicitly